Hello, today Bluey and her family are going on a bus tour. And they're hopping on this big blue bus. And then later we're going to take a big red bus and have a look around a very pretty city called Sydney in Australia. Who's driving the bus today? It's Tinky Winky from the Teletubbies. Time to open the door and scan your ticket to get on the bus. Bluey and Bingo ride in the back with Mom, and since there's only 3 seats, Dad sits in the seat in front of them. Everyone must stay seated for the entire bus ride. Vroom, vroom. We wait at the stop for the bus, and here it comes now, the big red bus. And it's a double-decker, so there is a top and a bottom. Let's ride the top today. And we got the back row, where there are 5 seats instead of 3. One of our first stops is Bondi Beach. Look, there's even a Ferris wheel. We hop off and check out the beach. Oh, the sand is so soft and fine. We're back on, and now we have the front seat on the top. The lights turn green. That means go. And it's a little more bumpy in the front of the bus. Better hang on and stay seated. And here we are at Rose Bay. Look at all of the sailboats. We hop off again to see one of the most famous buildings in Sydney, the Sydney Opera House. Let's go up the stairs and get a view of the city. We get a great view of the Sydney Harbour Bridge. There are many boats in the harbour, and here's the main part of the city. Back on the bus, and we're sitting in the back again. We look up and see this beautiful building covered in plants. It's called a vertical garden. Our bus ride has come to an end. It's time to get off. Thank you for joining us today. Hope you had fun.